Good afternoon, teachers. Hope you're having a wonderful day. I want to go over the agenda for week 10, March 10th. Of course, I'm recording this on March 3rd. I want to draw your attention to an event that's happening this Saturday, March 6th. And I provided a link to this event. This kind of connects to the work that we did in the fall in 644. This is a workshop called Applying Anti-Racist Teaching Practices in K-12 Classrooms. This workshop will address topics like courageous conversation, anti-racist teaching within the school community, creating inclusive spaces, and addressing inequity. So I want to encourage you to sign up for that virtual workshop and to attend if possible. Learning targets this week, posted at the top of the agenda as always. If we go to number 1 under readings, this week would like for you to read chapters 7 and 8 in Collins and Halverson's blended book. As you read, I would like for you to think about and then write a reflection applying the readings to your experience as a teacher or as a student. I think that these chapters are going to be particularly applicable to the last year as we've experienced remote teaching online. And so I would like for you to reflect and think about that. Approximately a page to 2 pages in that range, no more than 2 pages in this reflection that will be due March 17th. Going to complete that as always in a Google document, provided a Google document for you to paste your reflection. Number 2 on our agenda for this week is research presentations that you're going to be posting today, March 3rd. I would like for you to view the research presentations by the other groups. These are the presentations on digital equity, digital communication, digital literacy, and I would like for you to view the group presentations outside of your own group and to make a comment to provide feedback. And you can use the rubric if you would like to sort of inform the feedback that you provide each of the groups. Number 3 is our blog post for the week. No explanation needed here at this point in time, I don't think. Just be sure to try and have your post made by Sunday, which will allow your classmates an opportunity to provide feedback. And again, continuing to see 5, 6, 7 responses on certain people, the individuals who post early, I think. Maybe some of it has to do with they're at the top of the Google table. Try to spread your comments around and read other classmates' blogs and make posts on them. And for our tech tool this week, we are looking at Diigo. Diigo is a tool that allows you to organize resources across devices. I'm going to watch the video that I have. The videos, this tool's been around for a while, and the first video is a little dated, and sometimes I know students are sort of put off by that. Oh, this video's, 7 years old. Well, I provided a more recent video if you find that more relevant. It's not going to necessarily add any additional information other than the fact that it was made within the last couple of years. Okay, and then you're going to make after watching the videos, write a brief reflection on the discussion thread that's at the bottom of our Moodle agenda for this week. Also, just a quick reminder that your lit review is due. That's your Technology Anchor lit review is due Wednesday the 17th at 11:55. So don't forget to post that, and I provided a link on this agenda. And also, there's a link at the top of Moodle for you to post your lit review. Again, be sure to check out the description for that assignment on the Moodle at the top of the page under Technology Anchor. There's a page limit as well, or a page goal, however you want to look at that, as well as a detailed description of this assignment. And as always, again, I'm available to discuss it with you. Hope everybody has a nice week and finds the lack of an agenda for this week somewhat beneficial for catching your breath and working on your anchor. And I look forward to talking to you next week. Take care.